Materials evaluation is often slow and time-consuming. Manufacturing engineers typically develop automation using isolated point solutions, which can be costly and limited. Instead, Sandia National Labs has developed a flexible, scalable, modular framework called Alinstante. Alinstante is a robotic workcell that enables high-throughput automation. Spanish for instantly, Alinstante is named for the dramatic acceleration and flexibility it brings to automated testing. Alinstante has its roots in testing 3D printed materials. When additive manufacturing accelerated the process to build parts, post-process testing suddenly felt disproportionately slow. A part that only took hours to build would still take weeks or even months to test and evaluate. To take advantage of the pace and agility of additive manufacturing, Alinstante offers rapid, flexible capabilities on an agile platform that can complete testing in a matter of hours. Alinstante is designed around a modular pedal concept, which allows it to offer a breadth of tests that can't be found in any single tool.
The Workcell is built on a unique pedal concept where the robot sits in the middle of the pedal and delivers parts or materials to each of the outside modules that can be simultaneously running different tests.
This pedal design is modular, extendable, scalable, and parallelizable, and it's a game changer for users who need rapid, flexible testing. Alinstante's availability to conduct testing immediately erases wait times for scheduling. Its consistency outperforms that achievable by human testers. And its tests are repeatable over decades when human expertise may disappear. Testing and inspection is only the beginning of Alinstante's potential applications. This framework can also integrate the manufacturing tool with any post-processing assembly or remediation steps. Alinstante's team of materials and robotics engineers is looking for partners who are interested in developing high-throughput modules or deploying a workcell for their application. Alinstante is supported and maintained by Sandia's robotics specialist, and it can be configured to support a range of processes. For more information or to discuss how Alinstante might accelerate your process, email alinstante@sandia.gov.